.ssh/config file for Windows 10's SSH? I'm on a Windows 10 machine, with an SSH client at c:\/windows\system32\openssh, must be part of the OS these days. I'm used to Unix land SSH, where there's a configuration file at $home/.ssh/config. My question, does Windows openssh have such a file? If it does, where is it located? And if it doesn't, how do you configure it other than through the command line? Note, please don't suggest I use Cygwin or PuTTY. Both of these are fine options, but I'm specifically asking about the Windows-supplied SSH client.
The openssh configuration and key files, including the config, known_hosts, authorized_keys, id_say, id_day, etc., which on Unix go to ~/.ssh, on Win32 openssh they go to %user profile %\ssh. That typically is. Though there's an exception for administrator authorized_keys. Win32 openssh uses %users profile %\ssh administrators_authorized_keys instead. See my guide to setting up SSH public key authentication on Win32 openssh server. Win32 openssh is a Microsoft build of openssh, which is now a standard part of Windows 10 and 11.
As Martin has said, it's in users directory and under the .ssh folder. I just want to also add a quick sample syntax of a host configuration in this file. Source. Notice 1. The tag named identities only will tell SSH to not try every identity file within that folder, but only the ones defined. By default, SSH will walk through and try every identity file until it finds the right one. Notice 2. You may also cache the keys and the passphrases using SSH agent. Read more here and here.
If you want to support the channel, please